How to use AI image generator in Canva. So first things first, head over to Canva. Onto your Canva's homepage, you're gonna see this one called Magic Studio. Basically, Magic Studio is Canva's personalized AI. And right here, what you can do is you can create ideas to design with Magic Design. All you'll have to do is enter in the prompts or, say some certain things like you want a creative zoo slideshow being displayed, and you're gonna let Magic do its, basically magic. You can transform and animate your content, resize, and use magic switch to, blur out and edit out things in an amazing, surreal way. So let's start by creating one. I'm gonna click on create a design. Naturally, you could choose a doc, a whiteboard, a presentation, or even an Instagram post or story. We're gonna start off by creating a normal whiteboard right here. And actually, let's just head back over and choose Instagram post square, right? Now we're working on with this. Right here, what we're going to do is we're going to use Magic AI search to use 5 words basically to describe the sort of post that you want to create. Let's say creative, fun, zoo, picnic. And I basically just search that up, and then Magic AI is going to generate certain type of templates and results for me that are going to match using the specific style and template that I searched up for. You can see this is something that Magic AI specifically created. This is the one that it created specifically depending upon the keywords that I prompted and added in. You can simply apply this template on. This is basically used for the pro one. But if you're not going to be using the pro one, don't worry. There's so many other ways you can easily use Magic AI. You can simply click on resize and magic switch, where you can resize your designs into whatever format that you need. You can also translate your designs into another language and even transform into doc. Now, once that is done, let's just simply add this picture up right here. Let's look up for certain elements that we want to add in. Let's just say I want to add this one here, or I can just simply use the AI's image generator where you can generate your own. Let's just say this amazing, let's write one to say a cute bunny stranded in the woods. So you see, I simply enter this prompt in, and Magic AI is going to create certain images, graphics, as well as videos for me to relate it to the stuff that I typed in, and then I can just simply use that in on Canva without actually having to do the work. You see, it generated like 4 different ones for me to use. I simply add this in, and there we have it. This is how you can basically use Canva's AI generator for generating amazing stuff on Canva.